Tweety Bird.
Who we got?
Tweety Bird. Oh, look at them big muscles.
We got Andre.
Getting ready to spar. You need to cup around your waist. You need some tape around your waist. Keep putting pressure on him. You keep boxing.
Ty. Andre and Ty.
Hey, what you been doing?
What is that?
What you been doing?
No, what you doing?
Ready to go, Andre?
Me?
Yeah. You.
How that, Tweety Bird? Yeah.
Tweety.
Yeah, he stays smart. He's killing 106 is that. He be stomping. Start over, Mr. Harris.
It's ready.
Hey, good work today, baby.
Yeah. It's not even that best of my answer, dude.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm trying to win this for the shit though.
Here we go.
So you need to know what I'm saying. Invincible with all the other guys.
There you go, Tweety Bird. Let's share about that. Y'all come on, there you go. Put a little edge. Oh,
get out of there.
Where's the jab, Todd? Keep my foot. You got to go punch the stick. Come on, where's the jab? There you go, Todd. Good. Keep turning, Todd. Good. There you go, Tweety Bird. There you go, Tweety Bird. Let your hands go. Ooh, good shot. Keep going. Oh, yeah.
Get tired, Todd.
Come on, Todd. Where's the jab?
Get out of there, Todd.
Come on, where's the jab, Todd?
He's going to get tired, Todd.
Keep punching. See how I'm doing? Very right there.
One with the jab.
Body shot, Todd.
That's right. One with the jab.
Come on, Tweety Bird.
He can't come past
Put jab. There you go. Put jab out there, Tweety.
That's right. Double that up.
There you go. Do it again.
That's right.
Do it again, Tweety.
Right hand, Todd.
Good. Come out to that hook, Tweety.
That's right.
Come back to right hook.
Come on. Put his hand there.
Come on,
Come on.
Tweety. Use jab. Go to the body. Good. Double jab, Tweety Bird. Come on. Good. There you go. Keep working. Jump on. Good. There you go. Let your hands go.
Jab. Back him up with the jab.
Head up. Come on. Punch.
Back him up with the jab.
Good. Come back to the hook after that, Tweety Bird. Come on.
Stop blowing your head, Todd. You're getting
Come on.
tired, too.
Go ahead. Stay busy.
You're
Keep
getting
going
tired.
forward, Todd. Stop ducking in. Use the jab.
Good try.
Come on.
Good shot.
Straight right hand, Todd. Straight right hand.
Come on, Tweety. Get your back.
Come on, Todd. Get out of there.
Get your back, Tweety Bird. Get your
Straight
back.
right hand, Todd. Straight right hand.
Shot run.
Right back.
I don't have that mouthpiece.
Where you my piece at?
My mouth.
It's wild.
Oh, it was never in his mouth.
All right, wait, 30 seconds. Let's go.
Where your
Straight
jab
right
to,
hand.
Good. Keep
Straight
working.
right hand.
Time.
Time.
Good. One more round. Good work. How you feel? Look here. Stop doing this. Look at it with your pain. Look at it.
You try to walk like this. What did I tell you about this?
Hey, start letting your hand go. You know real good. Hey, once you let it back it up. Hey, Andre. Once you start backing up, start dropping that right hand to the body sometime. You doing a good body shot. Look here. We got to come at the beat matador. Keep trying to stay off the road. Keep them in the center ring. Alright? Y'all doing good. Last round, Tweety Bird. Good. Keep with the jab.
Pull that jab up.
Good. Keep doing. Keep turning with the jab, Tweety. Good. There you go. Keep turning.
Put your head down like that.
Keep going, Tweety. Come on. There you go, Tweety. Keep turning. There you go, Tweety Bird. Come on.
Jab up.
Come on.
Right time.
Good. There you go, Tweety. Keep turning. Keep turning. Step approach. Hey, Sid. Keep turning. Step approach. Good. There you go, Tweety. Jump on the body. Get on, Tweety Bird. Keep turning.
Stop turning your head.
Good. There you go, Tweety Bird. Good duck. That's right. 1, 2, 3. Good. Double jab. Come on.
Straight right hand.
Straight left hand. There you go. Come on. Stay off the road. Get off the road. Fight back. Come on.
Come on, Todd.
Keep going. I ain't no wrong with your hand.
Come on, Todd. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Yo, root the jab. Come on.
Stop pushing.
There you go. Push up.
Punch. There you go, Tweety. Keep going. Come on. Let your hands go.
Right,
Come on. Let your hands go. Come on.
Come on, Todd.
That's right. Both hands.
Go forward now, Todd. Back him up sometime. Back him up. You stop backing up. Back him up. Tell me you're not
Put
going
your
back
chin
up.
down, Andre.
Come on. Keep going. Keep punching, Todd.
Turn on.
Keep going.
That's right. Do it again. Both hands.
Keep going. Go forward. Keep going. There you go. Do it again. Keep turning. Jump on.
Jump on.
Tweety Bird.
Come off of you.
Come on, Reggie.
Punch, don't push. Stop throwing soft ass punch.
Come on.
Go ahead, don't look away while you fight. Look at him keep fighting.
Come on. Come on, Reggie, fight.
Punch up top, Andre. Don't punch him. No.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, Reggie. 1, 2, 3.
I don't even know what you're doing. You better.
Good. There you go. Do it again. 1, 3, Reggie. Good. 1, 3, 2.
Punch.
Come on, Reggie. Good. Come on.
You gotta look at who you're fighting,
Reggie.
Andre. You can't be looking down at the ground.
Good. Good body shot. 1, 4, 3, Reggie. 1, 4, 3. Good.
Stop punching up and down. What you doing?
That's a donut.
He's got a toolbox.
Yeah, I got 2 boxes.
Let's go. Jump on, Reggie. Put that stick on. Keep punching.
Look at what you're doing. Take it down, Reggie.
Come on, Reggie. Let your hands go. Get him off for you. Punch when he punch. Punch now. Jump on.
Look at what you're doing, Andre.
Again. Straight 1, 2.
Keep your head. Look at what you're punching.
Straight 1, 2. Come on. Keep going.
That's right, son. Work like that.
Keep working, Reggie. Work.
You gotta look at what you're punching, Drake.
Reggie, that's right. Good. Keep working, Reggie. Keep punching. 1, 4, 3. Come on.
Back it up. Stop backing up.
1, 4, 3. Come on. 1, 4, 3, 2. Come on.
Throw 1, 2, 3 at a time. You don't gotta keep throwing like that. Let's throw 1, 2, 3.
5, 4.
1, 2, 3 on
5, 4. 1, 2, Reggie. 1, 2, 3, Reggie. Come back to 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Andre. 1,
Come back to 2.
3.
Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2, Reggie. 1, 2.
That's right.
Come on. 1, 2.
Keep going.
Good. 1, 2, Reggie. Good.
At a time and take
1, 2, 5, Reggie. Come on. 1, 2, 5. Let's try.
3 at a time.
There you go. Do it again. Do it again.
That's why you get
3 at a time.
box.
Good. 1, 4, Reggie.
That's right, now box.
1, 4, 3 when he come up. 1, 4. Think about it. 3.
Go ahead,
There you go.
Reggie.
Do it again. 1, 2. 1, 2, Reggie. Good.
No, right there, you close.
Give me a
More than 1,
5. That's right.
Not
Let's
those
go.
3
Give me a jab. Give me a jab. Give me a jab.
1, 2, 3.
Give me a double jab.
What is that? You're not even hurting nothing.
Give me 1, 2. Give me a double jab, Reggie.
That's right. 1, 2,
Give me
3
a
at a
jab.
time.
Give me a jab. Let your hands go.
That's
Let your
right.
hands go.
Come on,
4,
stairs
5.
now. Come on, stairs, go.
4, 5, Reggie.
That's right, work.
Go, let it go. That's right.
Right,
1, 2.
keep up.
Good. That's right.
Stay
Go
on.
back to the bottom. 4, 5.
1, 2, 3
Good.
at a
4, 5,
time.
Reggie.
Back out.
Good. Good. Do it again, Reggie. Come on.
You don't gotta keep going.
Good. Good body shot. 1, 2.
Keep your hands up.
1, 2, Reggie. Listen to me. 1, 2.
3 on
Stay on, Reggie.
1, 2, Reggie.
Jab him, Reggie.
Come on.
Jab him,
1,
Reggie.
2.
Stay on, Reggie.
4, 5.
Let me hook up top.
4, 5. 4,
Up
5.
top with the right hand.
4, 5. 3.
Right.
Stop letting him get so close.
That's
Reggie.
side way.
Good. Do it again.